I am Professor Dr. Murtaza Akhtar, Head of the Department of Surgery at NKP Salve Institute of Medical Sciences and Lata Mangeshkar Hospital, Nagpur, India. And with me is my co-author Dr. Murtaza Rangwala. We are doing breast cancer research for last 1 decade. Breast cancer is most common malignancy in female in urban India. It's a heterogeneous disease of different biological subtype and varied clinico-pathological features, which has got therapeutic and prognostic implication. Hormone receptor analysis is an established procedure in breast cancer management worldwide. But in Indian scenario, due to financial constraint, there is paucity of data regarding hormonal status. When we look at breast cancer in Indian females, it's an aggressive tumor presenting earlier in life, that is in 5th decade as compared with later decades in Western population. More than 50% of the patients in Indian scenario present as locally advanced breast cancer. When we evaluated the receptor status in our study, we came to know that almost 43% of our patients were triple negative malignancy. And on comparing a group of triple negative malignancy with non-triple negative group, we found that locally advanced malignancy was more common in triple negative breast cancer, suggesting aggressive nature of the tumor. And post-treatment follow-up, we found that loco-regional recurrence, distant metastasis and death was observed in 10% of our cases, again suggesting aggressive molecular behavior of the malignancy. Ladies and gentlemen, to conclude, the data provided in my study will give you an insight into molecular and biological behavior of triple negative cancer in Indian perspective. I hope you will find our article informative with reference to triple negative breast cancer and receptor status. Thank you.